Bamboo. How can one be downcast when using bamboo as a receptacle for hot vegetables? I mentioned in this video how Papa James showed me how to cook karuka fruit in bamboo and said I would make a short video showing how I did that, since cooking in bamboo is a good cooking technique and survival skill as well. So 2 years later, and here is a short video showing how to do that. Bamboo is fantastic for a lot of reasons. Cheap, fast-growing, versatile, and plentiful if you live in the right parts of the world. Not here so much. But food value too. The leaves, seeds, and shoots of many species are all used in cooking, whether eaten directly or simply used for cooking, especially because of that famous feature of bamboo, the hollow stems that many species have, or hollow all except those solid chunks at the nodes. Shapes like this that can hold liquid can be invaluable for survival in the wild, and so, as many people groups in warmer areas figured out, bamboo segments can work great as renewable cooking pots. And as a bonus, they even can add a bit of flavor to whatever you're cooking in them. And the process is really simple. There's plenty of variations to it, but this is the way that Papa James showed me how to do it. First, you need a bamboo stem that's big enough to hold what you're cooking. So, something more like these guys. Not these ones. Also, make sure it's mature. If it's a young segment, the nodes between chambers will be soft and breakable. That one won't work there. You need to have them good and hard. Once you've got that chopped down, cut it into segments right close to the nodes. At this point, some people will soak these bamboo pieces in water for a few hours or overnight. It helps it last longer in the fire, but it is an optional step, and Papa James didn't do it here. I imagine it depends partly, for one, how long you need to cook for, and also just how much you want to conserve your bamboo if you're reusing the pot. Now you load the food into the tube. The order shouldn't matter too much, though putting flavoring ingredients at the bottom can help the flavors distribute a bit better, especially if you're steaming rather than boiling. Here, Papa James added salted karuka, then chayote shoots, and lemongrass. He did also mention that they often add pork to this as well. And while doing this, shaking it now and again can help to settle the contents to the bottom and pack it down. Then, add some water. How much you add depends what you're going for. Add a lot, and it boils the contents. Add a little, like you did here, and it steams them. But either way, you want enough that the water won't all boil away before the food is cooked through. And with that, it is ready for the fire. Just put it in the embers or close to a flame and wait. The cooking time will depend what sort of food is in there, but it's about the same as if you steamed it on a stovetop. When in doubt, just open it up and check if it's done. This one took about 20 minutes. And that's about all there is to it, with this method anyway. And you can take the food out of the bamboo, and if you have the option, most things are best served on a banana leaf. Obviously, you can do lots of other things with this too, cooking with bamboo. Some people make soups, rice dishes, other fancier things, but in any case, if you happen to find yourself without a cooking pot in a place where bamboo grows, you know what to do. And if you want to learn more about that fruit I was showing there, and the languages people use to hunt for it, you can see more about that in my video here. A big thank you to Papa James and the Goroka Natural Habitat for making this video possible. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and if you have any corrections, suggestions, or good bamboo recipes, I'd be glad to hear them in the comments. So, join me next time on Ambling with Sam.